How to stretch an image in Photoshop. Launch Photoshop and open the image you want to stretch. Using the free Transform tool, select the layer containing the image you want to stretch. Press Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on Mac to activate the free Transform tool. Drag the handles on the corners or sides of the bounding box to stretch the image. Hold Shift while dragging to maintain the aspect ratio, or release Shift to stretch freely. Press Enter to apply the transformation. To stretch an image using Image Size Adjustment, first go to Image Size. In the Image Size dialog box, you can adjust the width and height. Make sure the Constrain Proportions box is unchecked if you want to stretch the image without maintaining the aspect ratio. Click OK to apply the changes. To adjust size using Canvas Size, go to Image Canvas Size. In the Canvas Size dialog box, you can adjust the width and height of the canvas. This will add space around your image. Use the anchor grid to decide where the new canvas space will be added. Click OK to apply the changes.